Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print all even numbers starting from 1 to 20. So given the start and the end range, so your task is to, that is, iterate all the numbers that is in between them and try to check if the all the numbers are in even numbers, so that you have to print. So this is a simple Python program. So let's try to solve this. So let me take two variables, start is equals to 1 and end is equals to 20. So the reason I'm taking start and end explicitly is because if the problem statement changes from something like get me the even numbers from something like 50 to 100, so we can just modify these values. So I have taken two variables, start and the end. So let us try to iterate it, and let's use before that. So let's try to print a user friendly message, that is even numbers between, that is, let's use the string formatting between, that is start, and let's try to print end is, let's give dot dot dot, and yeah. So let's use a for loop to iterate now. So once we try to print a user friendly message, so let's use a write a code for iteration. So let's use for loop for index in. So let's take a range function and try to get the range, that is start and end. So I have to add plus one over here, so in order to consider the explicit value as well. So I have also included 20, so that is the reason I have added 20 plus 1. So let us try to, that is, check if the index is, that is a temporary variable, is even or not. So to check that, so let's use the if statement and use the index modulus 2 is equals to 0. This is modulus 2 is equals to 0. So if any number is completely divisible by 2 and has 0 remainder, so that means it's a even number. So you have found a even number if this particular if statement is a true. So now let's try to print the even number, that is index. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print all the even numbers from 1 to 20. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so you can see it has already executed. So even numbers between 1 and 20 is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20 it has printed. That is, we are also considering the value 20 as well. That is why I have added end plus 1. So now let's try to modify it from 50 to something like 50 to 75. So let me execute it, and you can see even numbers between 50 to 75 is 50, it is inclusive, and up to 74 it has printed. So let me modify it back, so that is 1 to 20. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print all the even numbers from 1 to 20. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.